An electronic machine which takes input and gives useful information is called answer A. Computer. The brain of any computer system is answer B. CPU. The computer's processor consists of the following parts. Answer D. Control unit and ALU. Where is lamp located? Answer C. Motherboard. Several computers link to a server to share programs and storage space. Answer C. Network. The first computer was programmed using dash. Answer A. Machine language. Junk email is also called answer B. Spam. A dash is a software program used to view web pages. Answer B. Browser. The box that contains the central electronic components of the computer is the dash. Answer D. System unit. The first mechanical computer designed by Charles Babbage was called answer A. Analytical engine. A dash is approximately 1 billion bytes. Answer B. Gigabyte. The basic operations performed by a computer are answer B. Both A and C. Which of the following refers to a small single-site network? Answer C. LAN. USB is which type of storage device? Answer D. Secondary. The operating system called UNIX is typically used for answer D. All of this. Which of the following is an example of an optical fiber? Answer B. Digital versatile disk. What is a default file extension for all Word documents? Answer A. Doc. Markup tags tell the web browser. Answer A. How to display the file. The instructions for starting the computer are housed in. Answer C. ROM chip. The dash controls communications for the entire computer system. Answer C. Motherboard. Which of the following is a storage device? Answer D. All of this.